Today we are here to ask one simple question. Was ChatGPT able to predict the price of Cardano, Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP for the month of April? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month, and the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Over the last few months, it seems like ChatGPT has kind of been picking up steam with these guesses, so let's see if we continue that trend. With that being said, let's get to the guesses. Since we're sitting on Cardano, let's start right here. If we take a look at what the guesses were, the bullish guess was 30 cents, range 28 cents to 32 cents. The bearish guess was 20 cents, 19 cents to 22 cents. The official guess was 25 cents, range 23 to 27. Remember, the official guess is what we always base everything off of. So let's take a look at where we ended for the month. If we take a look at the Cardano chart, basically the entire month we were right on par with the official guess. We never really left that range. We got right under the 24-cent range, so if you want to say we hit that like 23-cent cap, we were right there. We went all the way up to just under 27 cents. And if we take a look at like the last week, because we always go based off of the end of the month, were we right there? We really were. We were right under the 25-cent range at 24 cents. To be exact, 0.2475. So it was right there. ChatGPT absolutely killed, absolutely nailed Cardano's price guess. So we will absolutely call this a win for ChatGPT. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin and its price guesses. The bullish guess, 74,800, range 72,900 to 76,500. The bearish guess, 61,200. Range 59,800 to 62,800. The official guess 69,700, range 67,900 to 71,400. If we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we missed the official guess by a decent margin. Around the 13th of the month is kind of where we ran away from the official guess. However, if you wanted to give partial points to ChatGPT for the bullish guess, we're right on track with that. We just jumped above within the last couple hours of where the bullish guess was, which was 76,500. Right now we're sitting at $76,649. So did we get the official guess? No. If you wanted to give a partial points, you could, but I'm going to say for the month of April, ChatGPT was not able to predict the price of Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at Solana. The bullish guess was $98.40, range $95 to $102. The bearish guess was $72.60, range $70 to $75. And the official guess was $85.30, range $83 to $88. If we take a look at the Solana chart right now, we landed exactly where ChatGPT said we were going to be, right within that official range. We're sitting at just above $83. So in this particular situation, we will 100% say ChatGPT was able to officially guess the price of Solana for the month of April. And finally, we have XRP. We take a look at the guesses. The bullish guess was $1.46, range $1.43 to $1.49. The bearish guess was $1.24, range $1.21 to $1.27. The official guess was $1.35, a range $1.32 to $1.38. And finally, the chart for XRP, and this chart says more of the same for ChatGPT for the month of April. It landed the price, it nailed it. ChatGPT absolutely guessed the price of XRP for the month of April. We were right in the official range. With that being said, this has probably been the best month in a long time for ChatGPT. For those of you who've been watching for a while, ever since about middle to end of last year, when the markets were crashing, ChatGPT ended up missing all the guesses, and it was pretty big misses. But it seems like since the markets have kind of been calming down a little bit, we're starting to get a little bit more accurate with those guesses. I look forward to seeing where we really go in the month of May, and if ChatGPT can keep up with the momentum that it's had over the last couple months. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you impressed with the month of April and its guesses, or do you think it's a fluke? ChatGPT can get it right 1 or 2 months in a row, that's fine, but it's not going to do 3 months in a row. Definitely not. Can't happen. Absolutely not. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you want me to use other AIs for the guessing game. We've used Gemini, we used a couple other ones. I'm thinking about adding Claude to the guessing game. Not 100% sure yet. And if you want to see any other cryptos in particular added. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Futures here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Bitcoin